Sana kaya pa namin.
Ay, stop.
Ganun talaga eh, wala na tayong magagawa. Paano kaya yun?
Drawing na lang tayo dito ng mga pang-invent. Malaki.
Paano kaya?
Ano kaya to? Wait lang.
Manage guests. Accept. Hello?
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 You're gonna have to be slightly diagonal, guys, because I'm charging. Ito. Ay, guest showdown.
Ano to?
Hindi. Ano to? Hindi ko na alam.
Invite.
Ay, thank you. Congrats. Thank you so much, guys. Alexine, for winning the showdown. Eto nga. How do we make it back to what it was before? Do you guys know?
Can I get a shout out?
Alexine. Literal. Ivan.
Kira!
Stop na ako. Paano ba to?
Kira, come here, say hi!
Love you, Stellar. Paano siya? Hi, healer pressure. Thank you, JC. Hello.
Baka masinghot mo na kami. Sensya na kayo guys, sinisipan ng ate nyo.
Yes.
Kira, mag-hi ka dito. May bisita tayo.
Love you, Pam. Hi, Rice. Remember lang muna ako dito. Ivan! Ivan!
Wow! Hi guys!
Nalulungkot ako. Thank you, Nick.
Love you!
사랑해요. 와인이. Ay!
Gulatan na lang, ruleta.
Sorry, naloloka na si official. Ay!
Kira! From Pink Gone to Pure Gold. Woo! Late present. Hello po.
Hello guys, masakit na ulo ko. Di ko na alam kung paano to.
Di na namin maibabalik sa dati. Muling ibalik ang tamis ng pag-ibig.
Ganda ng boses mo. Ano itong mga fun kit na to? Thank you, Fritz.
Putulin mo muna yung ulo mo para di masakit. Eh, paano ko putulin ko yung linya mo sa... Charot. Settings, layout daw, tas grid.
Setting.
Kira?
Layout.
Tas grid daw.
Your voice ranking comments live show muted. Wala. Wala siya.
Malay daw, guys.
100.
See you tomorrow.
Nakita-kita kayo bukas.
Hello din sa mga gagraduate bukas at mga kanta nila ay golden sa kanila.
Lakihan kita, Jasmine.
I have an ampao for you. Awat mo ang
Bitawan niyo na yung bihik. Wala na yun. Bukas na nga, ticket selling na namin bukas, guys.
We're moving up, up, up. It's our moment.
Yes, queen.
Naman, 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 naman. Andito si Jazz at si Althea.
Ha?
Alam nyo guys, ito yung habang nagsusulat ako ng kanta, ito yung inspirasyon ko.
For which song?
So, bakit
Which song?
Yung pinarinig ko sa inyo.
I love you like young.
Ito yung inspirasyon ko.
For what song?
Bakit?
Yung ano, touch my body. Charot. Joke.
Na body. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. That's so cute. Where's yours?
Nasa susi ko.
Wala akong ganyan.
Gusto nyo?
Yeah.
Sa akin ito eh.
Naloloka na ako.
Halak, haloka, halak pa.
Ay, namiss ko nang i-perform yun.
See.
I think I forgot the choreo.
Ni-review na lang natin.
Oo.
The dance break. Bili-bili ko yung mga photo card naman. Photo card. Guys, photo card. Ay, ito daw, oh. Go to your live settings, tap playbook.
Playbook.
Change your layout to 4 grid or quad.
Andito na ako kay playbook. Gusto ko lang sila yung papakita sa playbook.
I'll show you some unreleased G22 photos.
Ano yan?
Wait, I have to cover some. Ito. Cover ko to.
Ano yan? Nakabahan ako.
Ay, mali. Yes, this is when we went to Taiwan. I think Taiwan. This is our team, our sound engineer, our stylist, our manager. Where's AJ? AJ's not there pala.
Ay, oo, wala.
Wala, nasan siya? Okay, and then
Sanay na ako. Charot.
Saan mo eh?
here on my birthday,
Oh, girl!
Shakira.
Ay, meron din ako. Meron din ako.
Ariel. And then
Kala nyo, ah. It's a collection.
I can't show this one.
Ito. Exclusive photo cards. First,
I will always put you first. Yan.
ay wait lang.
Pinakita ko na yan.
Ito na ba? Okay. Next.
Yes.
Ay, wag to.
How cute.
O, diba? Meron pa ako.
Ay, cute. Ayan. Ay, that's cute.
Nina.
Bawal daw magpakita ng shoulders pala. It's sorry, guys.
Shoulders?
Dun, diba? Or it's fine. I thought it was bawal because I was the only one. The church.
Ah.
Ayan, nice ka na.
Perfect.
Ang laki ko.
Switch mo.
Pinatugtog daw yung palaban sa
Saan?
Stars on the Floor.
Yes.
Abo.
The remix.
Period.
Can't wait.
Hot.
Zhao did so good. Zhao all the way. Zhao number one. Zhao number winner. Number winner.
Yes.
Bigyan mo naman siya ng crown. Rifey, shoutout sa'yo. Hi ka na. Ay. Yeah. Where's my shirt say? Cultivate change.
Sabihin mo sa mama mo. Tita na lang daw yung tawag niya sa...
Sino pupunta bukas? At sino pupunta sa LU?
Me.
Tayo.
I'm coming for both.
Me tomorrow, sabi ni Dad.
My body tender. Shoutout to your dance. Cause I'm feeling makes me weak.
See you guys then sa Bench Fashion Week.
Shoutout sa'yo, Maria.
How can you feel?
It was very sweet. Sana makita namin kayo lahat dito tomorrow.
Can we just share a bed? Pretend
Ay guys, also may special announcement din.
Ay, sino yun?
Ano special announcement?
Sino yun?
Ay, sorry, I'm sad.
May special announcement guys, 'di ba? Pero hindi pa namin i-announce.
So bakit mo daw sinabi? Hindi pa naman daw pala yan.
About siya sa perks.
Oo. Pero balita ko, swerte ang SVIP.
Yes.
Yeah, so SVIP, they get an extra little something.
Extra something for... Alam mo yun, nahumiga na ako. Komportable yarn. Di ba? Pag nandiyan sa malaki.
Parang... So, dahil maikli na lang yung oras natin, guys. Sana, anong wish nyo para sa mga ticket selling natin tomorrow?
Kami? Or sila?
Kayo, Jazz AJ.
Sold out!
Yes, I'm praying na madaming bibili and na gusto sila sa pagkain.
Yes. Mabubusog sila sa...
Mag-iingat
Ando.
sila sa papunta doon at pauwi. and just like good vibes. Good vibes, bullets meeting new bullets. And
Yes. Good vibes
meet
lang.
new. We have a lot of things to do today, guys, as well. After the ticket selling, we have some guesting. See us, please come 12 to 1.
Kaya sana magkita-kita tayo dyan. Tapos yung mga gusto ng lunch, agahan nyo. Go! Again, ticket selling po namin ay sa Ticketnet Online and Ticketnet Araneta yan. No to scalpers. Ang mga pwede lang bilhin ng per tao is 4 tickets per person. And anong oras ulit magsa-start ticket selling natin?
12 noon.
12 noon.
Guys, are we gonna meet there?
Malalaman natin sa chat. sa,
Wala pang chat, no?
sa GC.
Message. Sabi nga ni Isa, is sold out yan! Prayers, guys. We're manifesting.
Yun, Alpas too. Thank you, Tokwa.
Nagugulat ako.
Thank you. I hope ma-enjoy ka.
Ayan.
Say your goodbyes.
Bye, everyone. I love you so much. Thank you for waiting for me to wake up. Thank you for enjoying our live together on G22. We hope to see you tomorrow. We pray that we see you tomorrow and at the concert. And if you are available this Holy Week, we're going to be in Alpas. The door charge is only 800 pesos. So please come at an attractive price point.
Yes.
And
May
for
drink na
concert,
yun.
we have different prices. Whatever's more attractive to your budget, please do come and watch our very first concert ever because our dreams are so big. We're going to keep going, but to be part of our first concert would be so special.
Saya yan. Promise, guys. See you there tomorrow. See you sa lahat ng ganap namin. And always remember that we love you. No matter what you do. No matter who you are. No matter what you are.
Lalo na ang aming mga divas. We love you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.